Hello students, in our today we will try to understand what is the meaning of the word joint family systems. There has been multiple definitions which has been given by what is a family system, such as one of the most popular definition it has been given by George Woodrow. Another popular definition has been associated with Harry Johnson. Anthony Giddens has provided one of the most popular recent definitions that we are having. He is a UK parliamentarian. Joint family system is one of the early family system. It was also called to be as a traditional family systems. It is called to be as an old or a rural or a feudal family system. What do we see in these setup? If we look at a joint family system, there are three generations who are going to stay together. Moreover, the authority that is being established, who is the decision maker? If the person is either determined on the basis of gender, mostly we get to see males are the ones who are a decision maker, so it represents a patriarchal system. If the authority is on the basis of gender, another important criteria is age is also one important feature. And the people who are with the upper ages, higher ages, they tend to become more dominant, and that is the reason this phenomena is called to be as the geriatric dominance. Apart from the authority, if you take a look how the residence is being designed, the residence is present in a patrilocal manner. The work is divided on the basis of gender. This phenomena is called to be as a sexual division of labor. But the most important concept is there is something called as common ownerships which will be present in all the joint family system. It means they will have a common property that they will hold together. They will have a common agricultural land that they will have a common urban business that they are going to divide it. They will have a common kitchen, and then they are represented with the help of a common name. All these are basically representing the old type of family systems. So here we look up at the word, the J comes with the word joint family systems. In India, are we in the form of joint families or are we in the form of nuclear families? The most important view is associated to one of the first female sociologists from India. Her name is Irawati Karve. What Irawati Karve speaks about joint family system, we will see this in our foundational classes. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.